Lesson 3rd. Adjective. An adjective is a describing noun that adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Adjectives modify nouns and make the meaning of sentences clearer or more exact. Let's read some examples. The capital words should be in bold. It is a red shirt. There is an essential matter which we need to understand. In the above sentence, words, shirt and matter are nouns. Adjectives, capital, red and essential modify nouns. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are of different kinds. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, adjectives of demonstration, adjectives of interrogation, adjectives of possession. First, adjective of quality. These adjectives describe nouns that refer to action, state, or quality by answering what kind of. Let's read some examples. It is a dangerous chemical. It is a true story. These are green vegetables. The words dangerous, true, and green signifies the quality of the noun, chemical, story, and vegetables. Second, adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity tells us the amount of a noun by answering how much. Let's read some examples. He has eaten some rice. I do not have much money. Some food was served to the beggar. In the above sentences, some, much are the adjectives of quantity. Third, adjectives of number. Adjectives of number signifies the quantity of the noun or pronoun by answering how many. This is countable. Let's read some examples. 2 persons were injured in the accident. There are 20 students in the class. He has eaten 4 apples. 2, 20 and 4 quantify the number. Hence, they are adjectives of number. Fourth, adjectives of demonstration. Adjective of demonstration are used to point at a person or a thing. A demonstrative adjective also points out a fact about the noun. Let's read some examples. Bring that bag here. Take this umbrella. These girls are dancing. The words that, this, and these are demonstrative adjectives. Fifth, adjectives of interrogation. Words that are used to ask questions are called an interrogative adjective. Let's read some examples. What is your name? Which is your favorite color? Whose notebook have you borrowed? What color do you like? Whose bag is this? In the above sentences, words what, which, and whose are interrogative adjectives. Sixth, adjective of possession. A possessive adjective expresses possession of a noun by someone or something. Possessive adjectives are the same as possessive pronouns. They answer the question whose. Let's read some examples. This is my pen. That is your house. This is her pencil. My, your, her, his, our are the examples of possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives or pronouns are singular, plural. My, our, your, his, their, her, their, its, their. Degrees of comparison. Adjectives change in form to show comparison. These forms are called degrees of comparison. Most adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. Let's read some examples. Cat runs fast. Fox runs faster than cat. Tiger runs the fastest. In sentence first, the adjective fast only tells the quality of quickness in the cat. No comparison is made between cat and fox. This is the positive degree of comparison. In sentence second, the adjective faster tells us that the fox has more fastness than the cat. There is a comparison between the fox and the cat. This is the comparative degree of comparison. It is used to compare two things. In sentence third, the adjective fastest tells us that of all the three, the tiger has the highest degree of fastness. This is the superlative degree of comparison. It is used to compare more than two things. Formation of comparative degree and superlative degree. Comparative degree and superlative degree are made by the following ways. Rule 1. Adding ER and EST to the positive degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bright, brighter, brightest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Great, greater, greatest. Light, lighter, lightest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Rule 2. When the positive degree ends with Y preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST to the positive degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Happy, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Rule 3. When the word ends with E, only R and ST is added to the positive degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Able, abler, ablest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. White, whiter, whitest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Rule 4. When the positive degree ends with a consonant preceded by a short vowel, the consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST to the positive degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Rule 5. By using a new word. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bad, worse, worst. For, former, foremost. Late, later, last. Good, better, best. Much, more, most. Rule 6. By using prefix more and most or less and least to the positive degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Kind, more kind, most kind. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Qualified, more qualified, most qualified. Ordinary, more ordinary, most ordinary. Prompt, more prompt, most prompt. Proper, more proper, most proper. Beautiful, less beautiful, least beautiful. Delicious, less delicious, least delicious. Intelligent, less intelligent, least intelligent. Expensive, less expensive, least expensive. Kind, less kind, least kind. Qualified, less qualified, least qualified. Ordinary, less ordinary, least ordinary. Prompt, less prompt, least prompt. Proper, less proper, least proper. The correct use of some adjectives. Some, any. Some is used to express the quantity of degree in a affirmative sentence. Let's read some examples. I will buy some oranges. Will you have some ice cream? Any is used in negative or interrogative sentences. Let's read some examples. I will not buy any mangoes. I do not like any of my friends. But any can be used after if in affirmative sentences and with countable nouns. Let's read some examples. If you need any money, I will help you. If you need any help, I will surely help you. Each / every. Each is used when we speak about two or more things. Every is used only in speaking of more than two things. Let's read some examples. Each of them are very brave. Leap year falls in every 4th year. Much / many. Much is used for uncountable nouns. Many is used for countable nouns. Let's read some examples. How much water is there in the sea? How many girls are there in the class? Little, a little, the little. Few, a few, the few. Few and little are negative. It means not many or hardly any. Let's read some examples. Few people believe in simplicity. Little knowledge is dangerous. A few and a little are positive. It means some. Let's read some examples. A few people believed what you said. She gave me a little food. The few and the little are both positive and negative. It means the whole of a small quantity. Let's read some examples. She spent the little time to complete her work. He bought food from the few rupees he earned.